So hello guys, in this video I just want to show you guys quickly how you can actually make money by watching just YouTube videos. Okay, in this particular app that I'm introducing to you, you're going to be making money by virtually watching YouTube video. You don't need anything much to do, and the good part of it is this: you'll be cashing out even if you earn just 20 cents. In short, the minimum amount that you can cash out on this particular app is just 17 cents. So if you have like 17 to 20 cents in your account, you can cash out, and you can cash out in Bitcoin, you can cash out in ATM, you can cash out in Payeer. Okay, so they have different withdrawal points where you can actually cash out your money. Okay, so I want you to stick with me on this video while I take you to the app proper, and I'll show you the step by step on how you can start earning money right away.
Yeah, so hello guys, like I rightly told you from the intro of the video, this is the app that you'll be earning money. You'll be earning good money just by watching YouTube videos. Now, the beauty of it is this: the videos you'll be watching here are videos that ordinarily we watch on YouTube. But now, if you watch those videos on YouTube, remember you will not be paid. So when you come to this app to watch these videos, you will be earning money while you watch the videos that you actually want to watch. Okay, let me just show you this. So as you log into the app, you don't even need any kind of sign up. Automatically it generates your details for you, your profile for you. Okay, so if you want to choose the language that you want to be watching videos on, you can either choose English, you can choose Spanish, or you can choose Portuguese language. Okay, so for me, because I'm speaking English, I will be choosing English, so I will save the English. Why is that? You save English so that the videos that they'll be showing you, that they'll be giving to you to watch, will be videos that will actually be English speaking videos that you actually want already. Okay, and also let me show you this. You can see that one of the beauty of this app is that you can cash out even if you have just 19 cents. You can see 19 cents over here. If you have just 19 cents, you can actually cash out. So you don't even need to wait until you have $10, $15, $20 like other apps before you cash out. Okay, so you can see that it's that easy. Also, you can see, let's just play one of the videos, okay, so that you can see how this thing actually works. Let's just click on this. So after clicking on it, the video is just going to load. Okay, so as soon as the video loads, you can just start watching the videos. Keep watching the video. When you watch this video, when it gets to the end, you go to the other one. And the beauty of this particular app is this does not stop you from doing any other thing that you want to do. You can be doing something else. All you just need to do is just come, you click on the video will be playing, and you'll be earning. Okay, you'll be earning, you keep earning endlessly. Okay, so also let me show you one other beautiful thing about this particular app. Like I just actually downloaded this app just some few minutes ago, because I saw that one of my friends was making money from it, earning from it, and he showed it to me, and I said, okay, fine, let me show this to my audience. Okay, so you can see I actually downloaded it just some few minutes ago, and I've made this earning already. And this is the points that I've made. It is 7,073. Okay, so I've made these points already. So these points is what they actually convert to cash for you. Okay, so after making these points, they convert it to cash. This is the equivalent of these points up here. Okay, and also the beauty of this particular app is this: you can cash out in 3 different ways. Either you have crypto wallets, you can cash out through ATM. So if you have Coinbase, you can cash out through Bitcoin. You can cash out to ATM, you can cash out to Payeer. Okay, so the beauty of it is that all you need to do is just to get the email address. Okay, just to get the address, they copy the address of the selected payment method that you want, and you paste it here. You put in the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and you click on withdrawal, and the money will be deposited into the account that you want the money to be paid into. Now, I say this to let you know that this thing actually works. So you can see some payment proof on the screen. You can see some payments proof on the screen. People are actually using this. People that I know personally are using this, and they are getting paid by this particular app just by watching videos. There's no stress about this in you watching video to earn money. Okay, you keep earning money. Even as you stay longer on the app, you keep earning money. You can see that even the earning has increased a bit. Okay, so you keep earning money. Also, you can earn money from this app aside you watching videos by inviting your friends. Okay, now if you invite your friends to download this app also, you will get 10% of the total amount that they make, that they cash out. Okay, each amount they cash out, whenever they've earned money, you will get 10% of that amount. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular app in the description of this video. So you are going to click that link so that you download it from the App Store. But for now, for you guys that are actually using iPhone, you cannot use this particular app for now. Probably in the nearest future, you will have the opportunity of using it. But for now, it's just for Android users. And I want to believe that the larger population of people use Android. So I believe it's beneficial to a larger number of people. So all you just need to do is to click the link below this video and download it to your phone and start earning money instantly. Okay, so also remember that you have to like this video and subscribe to this video, because I will be posting a whole lot of videos to show you how you can easily make money online without you wasting much of your time. Okay, so remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also in the comment section, I want you to tell me the kind of videos that you want to watch. Let me know.